How to mention someone on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now in order to mention someone on Instagram story, first of all launch the your story option at the top left corner of the screen. As you do that, you can simply randomly click a picture, or you can also post it from a gallery. I'm going to click a picture by tapping over here. And as I click a picture, wait for a few seconds and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. And if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can also switch to your cellular data. So let's click a picture over here. And after clicking a picture, if you want to mention someone, what you can simply do is tap on it, tap on the screen. And as you tap on the screen, you'll be able to see the option of mention. So you can just select on the mention option. So just wait for a while. So let's tap on it, or you can simply tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. So here you can see the mention option. So tap on mention, and here you can just mention any of your friends to get started with, and you can just select the person and then tap on done and then tap on your story, and you'll be able to mention someone on Instagram story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.